Hello there. Today, I want to invite you to a special event that's going to help you, your family, your teams, and your community all across America. And that event is called the Bandai Builders Workshop. It's going to be happening. It's a free event on January the 31st, 2026, next Saturday. So this is an exciting time for hobby towns all across America. This event is going to allow your team an opportunity to learn a skill, learn something new, build confidence, and learn technology and also art form. If you ever wanted an opportunity for someone to in your family to get involved with model building, now is the time because again, the event is free. Saturday, January the 31st. Mark it on your calendar now and share this video, please, with a friend, a neighbor, a student, a colleague, a teacher, a grandparent, a therapist, someone that you know can appreciate helping young people and also helping you. And maybe you're looking to get in a new hobby. Maybe you're looking to start model building. And maybe you need some help or some expertise to get that done. Well, let me explain to how this is going to happen on that day. You don't even have to sign up. That's the beauty of it. Find your local hobby town. And located in Southfield, Michigan. My husband is the owner. We're the owners of a hobby town located right in the city of Detroit area, the metro area. Now, on that day, at our store from 12 to 4:30 p.m., we will be hosting groups of individuals to come into our activity room, build and take. You build this model and you take it with you. And I'll be sharing with you a couple other items that you'll get that same day, especially if you're a new builder. So, starting at 12 p.m., every half hour, 12:30, 2 o'clock, 2:30, 3 o'clock, 3:30, all the way up until 4:30, every half hour, you will come in, build that model. It's a model kit. It's a nice model kit. And there are three options to build from this one kit. So you can choose the model, you build it, and you take it with you. There are instructions in each box. These are all new kits. These are brand new kits. They've been waiting for you to give to our community to help you grow and build in confidence, skill building, following instructions, and getting off that tablet, getting off the video, getting off of watching television for just 30 minutes. It only takes 30 minutes or so to complete this model. You're going to come out smiling. You're going to come out happy. You're going to come out stress free because it's going to take all your worries away. And then you will be able to share with others your experience of being in a hobby store, learning a new hobby. And even if you don't want to continue, that's okay. But at least this is an opportunity to find out for free if this is something that you want to continue doing. But I do know one thing that is we got to continue to doing all of our lives. Even I'm 65 years, we have to continue learning. If you stop learning, then you stop growing. So, grandparents, those of you who are watching, please help me to get this word across America that this event is a free Bandai Builders Workshop. And Bandai is an international company. You can read a little bit more about Bandai with characters and um, collectibles and toys. This is a great time. We are growing in the whole metro area. We now have a new mayor, the first black mayor in woman mayor in the city of Detroit. It's booming here in the city of Detroit. Don't tell me it's not. It's an exciting time for all of us. So get involved. You're going to leave out smiling and happy. And please, again, share this with your teachers. Share this if you're a student with your parents. If you're a grandparent, share it with your friend who has grandchildren. And then young people who are watching, share with those who are in their 20s and 30s and 40s who are looking for a hobby. This is National Hobby Month, and a lot of people are looking for a change, for something to do, or something to increase their knowledge. We'll have some help at the stores as well. So if a hobby town is not very, very close to you, you know, still find a way to make it out. Plan ahead. If you may have to drive an hour away, but it's so life changing, it's worth traveling to your nearest Hobby Town store. Hobby Town is the largest franchise retail hobby and toy store in the country, and you will find it a pleasant place to be with pleasant things to help you in your hobby and to grow in a hobby, to learn a hobby, and to share a hobby. You'll have a social experience. There will be other people there like you or like minded, and that's a great place to be when you are trying to grow your life. So, this is Simon Says Behold Videos. Thank you for watching.